Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss how can we capture the GST details of a customer and verify it whenever they are checking out. Now this can be a very specific thing, especially for people who want verified businesses to be able to actually submit their cart. So in order to do that, all we need to do is, first of all, we can see that there is no GST detail which we are capturing at the moment. All we need to do is go into settings, go into shop settings, and from shop settings, all we need to do is go into capture GST, and there it is, verify GST at login and checkout. When we refresh that, we'll see that at the checkout page, there'll be another field for GST, and a person needs to fill in a proper GST number in order to proceed. So let's say if this is a valid GST number, let's say if I were to put in something wrong and check out, it's going to say, please, this was for the mobile number. Let me check that. Now if I check out, it's going to say, please enter a valid GST number. If I put in a valid GST number here and check out, it's going to let me proceed. And that's how you verify a valid GST number at the time of checkout from a customer. Thank you.